Hello, good day. I'm Boy. In our last tutorial, we talked about index of method. So now let's talk about isArray. So let's create our isArray file. Okay, what is array method? So is array method in JavaScript is used to determine whether a given value is an array or not. It returns a Boolean value true or false, indicating if the value is an array. So let's create an example to check if the value is an array or not. So let's direct it to console.log the the array. Okay, array that is array. Then let's check, for example, the value of 1, 2, 3. So let's check this one and then run the code. So as you can see, it's a true. So let's check another value. Let's say this one is a let's say string, empty string. Let's check this one, comment the first one, then run the code. False. So as you can see here, the return or the value of our console.log is false since the value inside is not an array. So let's check another value. So maybe let's say a object. Let's run again. Let's run again. So as you can see here, the return value is also false. So maybe last one. So let's check if, let's say, a number here, and then run it again. As you can see here, the value is false. So that's it. Yeah. I hope I explained and give you an example how is array work. And then if you have further question or clarification, just comment in our comment box below. So that's it. And yeah, goodbye.